rubber plant, and I got it from Walmart, and we just came home. But for now, we're going to be doing plant cleaning. So I want you to come over here. You can see on these plants, there are white spots. We have to clean those. So we just need, it's very easy to clean it. I'll show you. You just need a wet tissue, wet paper towel, wet wipe, and then I'll just put it beneath here, and then I'm just gonna swipe. And then one more. Swipe. Anything under? It's okay. Just put that. Ew. Can I hold on the top? Like, how about this? I hold right here. Soil cleaning. Ew, this one is so dirty. Look how much dirt. You see that? That's dirt. Okay, I have another part to clean. Can we go speed? Are you on speed mode? Did I scare you? Sorry if I did. And we finished cleaning the plant. It's not so shiny, but this leaf is super shiny. You see that? So, by the way, I figured out it's a tree. And also, if you don't know how to take care of it, I got the instructions. I'm gonna go take it out of the soil. It says, plant care, bright and decrease light. Water when the top half of the soil dry. So that's how you actually take care of it, and we're gonna keep it with the plant in case we forget how to do it. We are gonna be putting it. Make sure when you put plants in the corner, you have to take space, because if you don't, it cannot breathe. Sorry about that. There. See? This is the spot where we're going to put it. Beautiful, right? So like when they come in, there's going to be plants. And I don't know why it's called rubber plants. I think because it feels like rubber. So this is it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.